When I went to forest in Hokkaido for vacation with my family last summer, I found animals chasing each other by the river. It looked like big lions. It has black, red, white, and yellow colors, and lion's face, and lion and owl body. So I took pictures with my cell phone. I decided to leave them alone, and I called it Liowt because I was the first person who found the animal. I carefully observed Liowt. It likes to eat zebras and tigers, and it lives in forest. Liowt lives about 20 years. When I first saw Liowt, I thought they were cute animals, but now I think they were smart because they run fast and have a good eyesight.